Hello everybody, welcome to this product demonstration on end-to-end back office solutions for TV and video operators. My name is Nishikant and I work with the marketing team of MagnaQuest. Today we'll be demonstrating some of the key modules of our product. But before we get into that, let me just quickly introduce MagnaQuest to you. MagnaQuest is a 14-year-old company based out of India with offices in Malaysia, Dubai, and USA. We have got 150 customers in 35 global locations, and we are the market leaders in providing billing and subscription management solutions for pay TV operators worldwide. Our solution is a complete suite of BSS and OSS. The solution is robust enough and has got the ability to integrate itself with multiple network elements. It has got the complete feature set to manage your entire value chain. It's a convergent-based solution which can be hosted, which can be offered both with the hosted and on-premise model. And this solution comes as a pre-integrated one, and it has been integrated with all leading conditional access systems, which means MagnaQuest is a one-stop shop solution for all your billing and subscriber management needs. Now, having introduced MagnaQuest, let me hand over the presentation to our subscription management specialist, Midun. Midun will walk you through the demonstration. Over to you, Midun.
Hi everyone. MagnaQuest billing and CRM is completely web-based system. When I say completely web-based, it can be accessed from any part of the globe using a simple basic internet connection. These are the basic. These are the modules that are available in the system. Which the middle section contains the modules like subscriber information, order taking and fulfillment, billing, customer care, inventory, so on and so forth. Once I take you to the product, I will explain you in brief about each and every module of the billing and CRM. And on the right-hand side is a web interface which can be accessed by users. Internal users as well as end customers, that is your subscribers, to access the system and for online transaction. On the left hand side are the third party integrations that the system can integrate with, like cash, payment gateways, financial accounting systems, mobile gateways, etc. Let me take you to the product demonstration by showcasing the modules. I'm logging as a super user so that all the modules that are available in the system can be available for the super user. Here you can see, since I logged in as a super user, the user with which the account has been logged in can be seen over here, as well as on the left hand side all the modules that are available in this suite can be viewed. For this demonstration, I will run you through the basic customer acquisition process. That is how a customer, once a customer comes into your premise, how customer can be registered, and once the customer is registered, how an order can be booked for that customer. And once the order is booked, how a bill can be generated, and after the bill generation is done, how you can collect the payments from the customer. And once after the payment is collected from the customer, how do you activate the customer? This is the life cycle of the customer acquisition process. Let me take you to each of the interfaces. This is the customer registration screen, wherein you can.
Okay, and also, Mr. James, if you want to look at this system, I can also do a demo for you.
For the demo purpose, let me pull out the existing customer details to avoid the data entry part, so that we can.
No problem. I look forward to looking at it.
These are the customer details that we just created for the demo purpose.
USA, Italy. Right now I'm in India.
Okay, here we have something called customer type. This has a significance in this interface. Customer type is nothing but you can create your customers, you can differentiate your customers like VIP, residential, corporate, etc. And based on the customer type, you can define the pricing for pricing of the package at a different price. And you can also capture all the demographic information of the customer, that is first name, last name, company name, etc. And we have something called operational entity over here, which I have highlighted. This is, you can differentiate your business hierarchies into various operational entities, that is head office, regional offices, franchises, branch offices, etc. Next we have something called billing media. Billing media is nothing but on which format the customer wants his bills to be sent. This can be a paper, email, or an SMS. If it is an SMS, it should be integrated with an SMS gateway to receive the SMS. Next we have something called date of birth. Once you specify the date of birth over here, or on the specific date of birth given over here, you can send them reminders, that is birthday reminders or anniversary reminders. Next we have primary address as well as billing address. Primary address is nothing but where the installation has been done, whereas the billing address is where the billing a bill has to be sent to, on which location the bill has to be sent to can be captured over here. Or if you want to use the primary address as a billing address, you can just click on this option and primary address will become the billing address. Once the customer registration is done, a unique customer ID can be generated by the system. This can be this is unique for all the transaction of this customer. Next, once the customer registration is done, now let me take you to the order booking. Before going to the order booking, let's say if you want to attach any of the scanned copies of your customers, then you can click on the attach option over there, and you can attach the documents of the customers, that is the passport or any of the identity proofs for future references.
What is
now
the
let me go to the order screen.
Reset it, that's it.
The order screen on the left hand side, on the right hand side are the list of services that are available. These can be as per your business requirement. You can create as many as services you require. For the demo purpose, I have selected
I am recording.
three packages, that is digital gold package, sports package, as well as hardware package for this customer. So once you select the all the packages that the customer is requesting for, and once you fill in the hardware details, a new contract, and click on save, a new contract number as well as order number will be generated for this customer. And next we have something called order date as well as effective date. Order date is nothing but the date on which the order has been booked, whereas the effective date is the date on which the customer wants his services to be active from. Let's say you have booked an order today, but the customer wants his services to be active from next Monday. In that case, you can make the effective date as Monday, coming Monday date. The services will be active from that date only, and the bill will be generated from that date. Next we have something called billing frequency. billing frequency is nothing but how frequently you want to send the bills to your end customers. That is, it can be as per your business requirements. That is a monthly basis, or quarterly, half yearly, or a yearly. Or if you want to define any of your billing frequencies, you can do that. Next, we have something called salesman code here. Based on the salesman code, you can give the commissions to the salespersons who has brought this account. Next, we have something called number of outlets. Number of outlets is nothing but in pay TV scenario. Let's assume a single customer has multiple TV sets. In that case, you can the first TV set you can give it a normal price, but from the second TV set onwards you can give it a discounted price. When you define the number of outlets as 2 over here, from the second TV set onwards, the discounted price can be applied. Once the order booking is done, let me take you to the billing interface, wherein I'll show you how you can generate the bills manually. This is the manual bill generation interface. You can give the from date and to date here, and click on generate bill option, and bill will be generated. And let me do the manual bill generation for this customer. If you click on generate bill, a new bill can be generated manually. Earlier you can see it has 0, but it has been updated to 2863. And you can also see bills so and so have been generated for this customer successfully. This process can also be automated by setting a workflow in the system. That is, you can schedule a job saying that a bill has to be generated at the end of every month. A bill can be generated on the specific date mentioned, and it can be sent in the format which the customer has opted for. Once the bill generation is done, let me take you to the payments screen. In the payment screen, you can see that is, you can collect the payments from the customers. We support multiple payment modes. That is cash, check, credit card, debit card, etc. Let's assume if a customer wants to pay the bill for this particular invoice, you can select on this and you can make the payment. You can also through which operational entity the bill has been collected can also be captured over here, and you can also capture the person who has collected the payment. And once you click on save, the payment that has been made by the customer can be applied for this account. You can see payment so and so has been generated successfully, and you can also see the reduction of the amount from the on the top of the screen. Now let me show you. If you go to view payment screen, in this screen you can see list of payments that have been done by the customer from date to date. You can just give the date, and you can click on search. All the payments that have been done by the customer can be seen over here. Once the payment is collected, I'll take you to the provisioning module. In that module, you can see how you can activate a customer manually. You can just go to provisioning request screen, and here you can see who are all the customers that needs to be activated. Okay, since this customer has been already activated, you can see no record found for the selected period. But if there are any customers that needs to be activated manually, this is the interface where you can do that. Since we have set the workflow in the system saying that once the payment is collected, it has to be activated automatically, you are unable to find any records over here. In the provisioning module, we have something called retracking. Let's say a customer has made a payment, but it is not reflecting in his account. In that case, you can use the retracking command, and you can refresh the customer account so that the payment that has been made by the customer can be updated in his account. Or else, if he has activated any of the channel, but he is unable to view that channel, in that case also you can use the retracking interface, and then you can send the retracking signals to activate that particular channel. In the same way, we have something called setup pairing, wherein you can pair both set-top box as well as smart card for a particular customer, wherein if a customer has gone with he wants to use any of the smart card or set-top box, he will not be able to see the channels on the set-top box or smart card that he has bought outside. Now let me take you to the account summary screen. Account summary is nothing but all the summary details pertinent to this particular customer account can be seen. That is, on which date payment has been, what is the closing balance, what is the opening balance for this particular customer can be seen over here. If you want to collect the refunds from the if you want to collect deposits from the customer, you can do that. This is a screen where you can collect deposits from the customer. You can towards which plan you want to collect the deposits can be captured over here, and you can apply the amount. You can apply the amount how much you want to collect from the customer, and if you click on save, if you click on save, new deposit can be collected for this particular customer account. Since there was an issue, you can see that it's showing an error here. But this is the interface where you can collect the deposit from the customer towards any of the hardware items or towards any of the plans you want to collect the deposits from. Now let me take you to the single view interface. This interface shows you the 360-degree view of a customer, single customer. That is, you can from the single view you can see all the details relevant to the particular screen from a single shot. That is, what are all the contracts that has been booked under this customer, and what is the customer information, like what is the date on which the customer has been created, towards which operational entity this customer has been booked, what is the customer type, and you can also see the hardware details like set-top box, smart card details, and you can also see the allocation type, whether it's on loan basis or lease basis or one-time sale basis. All the details relevant to hardware can be seen in this section. And next, what are all the payments made by this customer can be seen in this the one that I have highlighted. And you can also see the statement of account, that is the invoice that has been generated for this particular customer. And let's say if a customer has any complaints regarding your service, or you can go to this service request screen, and then you can raise the complaints that has been raised by the customer. And not only that, you can also see the entire history of the customer, that is on which date he has been booked. The entire complete end-to-end history can also be seen from this single view screen. This is it for the product demonstration. Let me hand over it to Nishikant, who will be it.
Thank you, Mithun. It was a fantastic presentation. I hope all the users found it informative. If you have any questions with regards to the, if you have any questions, please send your queries at mqindia@magnetverse.com. And I would also like to inform that we have an upcoming webinar on digitization challenges and opportunities for cable operators, scheduled on October 31st, 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if anybody is interested to be a part of the webinar, please send us an email at mqindia@magnetverse.com. The email address will be displayed for another 15 seconds now. And this webinar will talk about the various challenges and opportunities in the digitization process as such, and how you'll be able to offer superior quality services to your customers by engaging us as a partner. So if somebody is interested to hear us, please register. We have got some limited slots available, so I would urge you to hurry up and register for the webinar. Thank you very much. And again, if you have any questions, please email us your questions at mqindia@magnetverse.com. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you all.